If your paintbrush fell off the handle, you don't need to throw it out. I really like this flat brush, so when it broke off the handle, I tried taping it back together with packaging tape, but it kept wobbling and making noises when I used it, so I'll take the tape off to do a better fix. But first, let's start with this long round brush that keeps falling off the handle when I use it. I'm just gonna glue it back together. Wipe clean the parts of the wooden handle and the inside of the metal case that will touch, and make sure to dry them. And you'll need waterproof glue. I'm gonna use this superglue for metal and wood that claims to be not only waterproof but actually machine washable. And wear gloves so you don't glue your fingers to the brush. The tip of the wooden handle will not touch anything, so I poured glue only on the curved side of the handle. And then push the handle and the case together for at least 30 seconds or however long the glue instructions tell you to give it time to set, and close the glue. For the flat brush that doesn't stay on the handle at all, I first tightened the metal casing by pressing it down onto the handle with pliers. Or you could use a hammer for this. So now it's tight enough that the brush won't fall off immediately. And then I pour out glue on each side of the wooden handle where it will touch the metal casing or the bristles. The instructions say to leave them dry for at least 10 minutes, but I left them for a whole day to be sure. And now they're fine again. No wobbling, and I can't get the handles off even if I tried to. And I can also rinse them in water. Once you've got the superglue out, you might want to use it on something else too. No matter how well you seal the package back up, it's probably gonna be dried up by the next time you try using it. I think my sandals are beyond DIY repair by now, but I tried gluing the tears in the soles back together anyway. But if some of your brushes have also gone hard with dry paint or paint mediums, watch me compare different methods for cleaning them. Watch this video next. See you there. Thanks for watching.